Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So now it's 6:30 a.m. and today we are going trekking to Kharghar Hills. So as you can see, the road is empty, not much vehicles, early morning, and let's see how it goes. So as you have to take a diversion like this, and in front you can see the Kharghar Hills. So not much rains now, so some part of the greenery is gone. It's little bit dry now, patchy areas of green, but let's see how the trek goes. So guys, let me show you a panoramic view of the hills. This is the road where I'm walking now currently, and the hills are stretching all over there. Then you have those buildings. So yeah, let's go.
Breakfast, Anna Rosam.
Okay.
First, I want to take a vlog of you. But first PM. Wrong. Leave it, yeah. This one lead on. Actually started climbing. So tell Abhishek.
Hey guys, we are doing that trek to Kharghar Hills today, and so today we have with us Dr. James, who is also a fellow YouTuber, and
We are wrong.
so guys, we have taken the wrong route and we are going back.
As usual. As long as in life your path is upwards, you continue going. Whether it is right or wrong. Let's go. That's what Abhishek has to learn today.
So some early morning philosophy with Dr. James.
Lot of philosophy for you there is there today, Abhishek. Don't worry. Abhishek, be careful. Huh?
So we have a steep segment.
Come like Spider-Man.
So guys, look at the view. Finally some hill background.
Most importantly, travel का जरूरत नहीं है.
So guys, we're halfway almost, and little bit
No
more.
halfway and all. This actual influencer lying, have you heard? That is what this fellow is doing. Now only we started. If you look behind, there is still more hours of trek left. He's just saying halfway so that 10 minutes में we बंद कर सकते हैं.
तो एक और थोड़ा सा steep stretch.
The operator, you can chill.
So guys, pleasant morning, sun in the background, steep stretch. So this part will be slippery in the monsoons.
Now
But
also
it's-
it's slippery. Be careful.
Yeah. Now it's better at least because of the dryness. So you can see a plane going, Dr. James climbing, and a stunning view. So guys, this is a panoramic view of the hill. Panoramic view. I think this is the top of the first hill. So we're descending from the first hill, and next we are going to the next hill. So trail in between tall grass. So that is the next hill we are going. View is good, no sun, and let's see.
एक ही क्लिप चाहिए.
Full thick vegetation.
हाँ?
Path through thick vegetation.
Be careful, ra.
So finally the road is creeping upwards to the second hill. So upward final stretch before we reach the top of the second hill. Chuck. So guys, finally we reached the top of the second hill. Full breathless. Sun is out. View is crazy. You can hear me panting. Small lake there, hill in the background. Dr. James resting. So guys, so we have finished 2 peaks and we are going to that one. So let's see how the route is. For now all straight roads only. So we have to do this descent and then this ascent. Dr. James coming full. It's finally time for the last ascent. And
You never know if that is the last ascent. I might even fool you.
yeah, let's do some more ascents then. So guys, Dr. James is coming and the view of the sun from here is crazy. Chalo, आगे is a little bit easy. Straight path. Let's see. Oh, we have the ascent back. Rocks. We have to go till there. Yeah. So we are descending. We abandoned that plan because.
We didn't abandon. We scaled the peak. It is like.
Let's go. So guys, a return journey, and yeah. So this was the descent we took. I think 15 minutes back. Now we are climbing this.
Start a little careful.
So guys, we're continuing the descent. Difficult parts are done, and so that was the first hill which we scaled, and that's the main road. We're going towards the main road. So guys, we're back at the first hill, and that view, people still coming. Sunday morning.
Finally, peak.
Finally, with that airplane in the background. So we are finishing the trek and for some breakfast. So
Breakfast we are going to have. Abhishek is going to pay for it.
So it was a nice trek. So
Yeah, it's a nice trek but tiring
nice,
also.
short and sweet.
So in conclusion, Abhishek, where will you rate this trek out of all your treks? Nowhere
It's
near.
Nowhere near.
That's how you should say, because you have gone to nice treks.
Yeah.
You have to concentrate on that.
It's a nice,
the truth in
small trek you can enjoy.
camera. Have a nice day, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.